Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Beauty Mundo. Are you ready to get rid of bad hair? No more bad hair days after this video. I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 must-have products that every woman should be using to have beautiful, healthy hair. These are definitely hair care must-haves. Make sure to watch to the very end so you don't miss a single product. First, I am going to start with High Cleansing Shampoo. So I did not realize what I was missing until I started using a clarifying shampoo. If you are someone who styles your hair a lot, you just use a lot of product during the week, you need this once a week, okay? So it can strip out all of the nastiness, all of the oil, all of the grease, all of the whatever you do during the week. Side little tip, you really don't want to be washing your hair too often, maybe no more than 3 times a week. I usually wash mine twice. So a clarifying shampoo is going to just get rid of everything. But this one I have found, of course I know everyone's hair is different. This Olaplex has worked wonders for my hair, where I feel like it gets it all out and it feels really soft, but without stripping it too harsh and then making it too dry. So, clarifying shampoo. Numero dos, sticking with shampoo. If you are not using a dry shampoo, I mean, it's 2024. Who doesn't use dry shampoo? But there are some people, I know, there are some people who still don't. So I'm telling you, friend, you need it. On those days when you just feel like my hair's just it's a mess, but I don't have time to shampoo and do the whole blow drying, whatever you do to your hair, dry shampoo. I've tried, I mean, so many Living Proofs, Dry Bars, Batiste, just everything, low end, high end. I've tried it all. Now this one though, from IGK, their first class, it's a charcoal detox. The ones from IGK are really great because they help it be a little bit more individualized depending on your hair care needs. This is actually for oily scalp. The crazy thing is, you guys, I have dry scalp and it's dry, it gets inflamed. I mean, I get oily, right, a few days after not washing, but I'm not someone who I just wash my hair and by the end of the day it already looks greasy. Like, that's not my hair. The charcoal helps with inflammation, so it's actually really soothing for my scalp. But in general, like I said, IGK's dry shampoos are so amazing. It doesn't really matter though, whatever. I don't want you guys to focus too much on the brands and the brand that I'm using, but more about what the product does. Obviously, my hair, my skin, everything is going to be different from yours. So if you have a brand that your hair really loves, then try a dry shampoo from that brand. Number 3, leave-in conditioners. I started following the Blowout Professor. Oh my gosh, a wonderful channel, like all things hair. Great channel, you guys should go follow. He talks about how we need leave-in conditioner because as soon as we get out of the shower, all of that moisture, bye-bye. It just totally leaves your hair. leave-in conditioner. I happen to like, I've tried a few. I know I've seen the Pureology circling TikTok, and I tried it and it was okay. I didn't find anything bad. I didn't find anything wonderful, but I happen to like the Redken 25 leave-in conditioner. And then when I do my hair curly, I actually use both. So this is Redken's All Soft Mega Curls leave-in treatment. So I will do both. This works really great as a detangler, and then I feel like this, especially when my hair is curly, it just brings a little bit more weight and density, so my hair is not super duper frizzy. But as soon as I get out of the shower, the first thing I do, leave-in conditioner. Moving on to heat protectant. I'm hoping, if you use any kind of heat on your hair, you use some type of thermal spray. I did not know until the Blow Up Professor, thank you. I did not know that they are not all created equal, and you really want to use a separate one for blow drying than you do with any type of an iron, whether it's a curling or a flat. This is what I use right now, this Smooth Spray Instant and Frizz Protection. This is what I use when I am using a blow dryer. But whether you like a spray or a serum, you need something for the blow dryer. And you put it in, of course, like when your hair is still damp, then you proceed with whatever type of blowout that you do. This is what I use for any time I use an iron. Now there is one that says a 22 on it. This is almost like a hairspray and a thermal spray in one, which is really great if your hair does not hold a curl. The 22 would probably be great for you. My hair is naturally curly. My hair holds a curl really well. And I just felt like the 22 made my hair a little bit too stiff. This one, it's like Goldilocks. It's just right. Protects my hair for up to 450. It has a low hold and then helps with the frizz and the shine too. I cannot recommend this enough. Love, love. Redken just works like really well with my hair, so I use a lot of their products. Again, whatever brand works really well with your hair, just look for a blow dry spray and a iron protecting thermal spray. Numero 5, number 5 is going to be some type of a shine product. Now, I know a lot of people typically like an oil. I have a few oils. I use oils on clients. I'm a big fan for my clients, the Olaplex oil. I think it leaves the hair really nice and shiny without leaving it feeling greasy. For me, I just live for a shine spray. I wish more brands would make them. This is from Aquage. I discovered them when I was in cosmetology school way back in the day. And so they're a professional brand. They are a little bit hard to find, but I did find them on Amazon. So usually you can find them in a salon, but I found them in Amazon. And I just think, I don't know, sometimes like with oils, I feel like either it's not enough or I overdo it and it's too much. And with this, it's just such an easy, and I think it smells so good. It's just an easy, quick. I feel like because it's in a spray, I just like can't, like I've never made my hair look greasy with this product, but the shine and it makes it so soft and so silky. Whether you love an oil or a spray, you want something to bring a little bit more luster, a little bit more shine to your hair. Doesn't even have to be like sleek straight or anything, but even when it's curled, you want it to have that nice shine and that really soft coat. Going on to masks. I just finished my Redken. I know. You're like, Christy, come on. My Redken All Soft. So I wanted to try something different. I haven't used this yet, so I'll let you guys know. But I have used stuff from Living Proof before, and I've liked it, so I'm gonna give it a whirl. This one is a repair mask, and it deeply nourishes and helps reverse damage. Now, even though I don't bleach my hair anymore, who knows, because, you know, I get an itch. Last year I did, the year before that I had like fun colors in my hair. So I do a lot. I do put my hair through a lot. I do put a lot of heat on it. I do color it, even though I just like color it my natural color. It's still color. Again, a lot of heat damage. So I wanted to try this one that says it reverses damage. And my hair is just naturally has always been more coarse and dry. So I'm excited, and I'll let you guys know. Either way, Mask City, baby. Oh, and a mask maybe like once a month. It's not something you need to do like once a week. I would say if your hair is bleached, twice a month would be great, but other than that, you're just like overdoing it and you're gonna waste your product. So, okay friends, well there we go. Those are the 5 products that every woman should be using. Let me know if you have tried any of these products, or share with me a favorite brand that you love, and then maybe I'll love it too. Thank you so much. Of course, if you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Mwah! Toodaloo!